If you're often in a hurry in the morning, it can be difficult to cook a healthy breakfast. Instead of sitting down to a bowl of a nutritious meal, you might just want to grab whatever you can quickly, such as a banana. Even while bananas are high in potassium and vitamin 6 and free of cholesterol and sodium, food experts suggest that bananas may not be the best option for breakfast, as it is the most important meal of the day. While bananas do have health benefits, it is questionable whether they are the best choice for breakfast on an empty stomach. We listed out the reasons for not having bananas in your breakfast. Bananas may seem like a convenient choice for a quick breakfast, but they are not the healthiest option due to their high sugar content, 25% of their weight, and moderate acidity. It is better to consider other options for a balanced diet. Eating bananas on an empty stomach may provide some short-term benefits due to the natural sugars they contain, but this can also lead to a crash in energy levels and increased cravings later on. The acidity of bananas may worsen the effects of the sugar on an empty stomach. This can lead to feelings of tiredness and hunger and may even contribute to overeating. It is important to note that people with diabetes should avoid consuming bananas on an empty stomach. While they may provide a temporary energy boost, the presence of magnesium in bananas can make you feel tired and affect your bowel movements. Bananas contain a high amount of magnesium, which can disrupt the balance of magnesium and calcium in the blood and potentially harm heart health. This imbalance can affect metabolism and cause digestive issues. As a result, it is not recommended to eat bananas on an empty stomach in the morning. So, what is the right way to eat them? Bananas should be combined with other nutritious foods like milk, eggs, nuts, and seeds to create a well-balanced meal. Also, making a smoothie with berries and other fruits, mixing them into muesli with seeds and nuts, or pairing them with yogurt and chia seeds are some other good ways. It is important to remember to consume bananas in a way that maximizes their benefits to give you a varied and nutritious breakfast overall.